you guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Lynn Kelley, and today I am participating in a Tablescape collaboration. The title of this collaboration is Blue and White Tablescape 2020. The hosts of this collaboration are Cynthia, shesobless, and Mysterious Alberta. I will list their channels down below, and I will also list the playlist so you can see all the other participants' tablescapes. For this tablescape, the rules are we can only use the colors blue and white, but it can be any shade of blues or whites. So I used various blues and various whites. I used off-white and white. I used what I had, and I did not have very much blue. But I'm pleased with the way it turned out. So I hope you will come with me and let's go check out this tablescape. I started with a 4-foot long folding table and then added a white tablecloth from the Dollar Tree, a plastic tablecloth. And then I added this piece of white fabric left over from a tablecloth I made for my daughter April's wedding almost 11 years ago. And then added an off-white table runner. And then all these dishes are from the Dollar Tree, except for the soup tureen. I had that, which I placed on top of a photo box. And then those what's holding the candles are actually glasses from the Dollar Tree, and they're really heavy. So they were perfect to put those LED candles in. And then I added a rectangular lace doily in the one glass, and then books to set them on, and some of my paper roses that I like to make. And I had blue cardstock, so I made the roses to go with this blue and white table. I already had the white paper roses. So then I had some of those little bunches of roses. I don't know what you call them, but they're made out of fabric. And those were great to add a little extra embellishment to the candle. And then I used them as napkin rings too, blue paper napkins from the Dollar Tree. So I had to add a bowl since I had a soup tureen as the centerpiece. And those bowls are from the Dollar Tree too. And then I just happened to have that piece of blue cloth. I think it might be a placemat. That worked out great. And I had the pearls. The flowers are from the Dollar Tree. And I believe I used 4 stems of flowers, 2 blue and 2 white. And then I put a round lacy doily on top of 3 wine glasses turned upside down, and then a saucer from a different set of dishes. That was the only one that was all blue. So that was great to set the teapot on. Okay, I turned on the fairy lights in the little teapot. The tea light was burnt out. And there we go. Blue and white. What a delight. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it, and hit that subscribe button to receive more videos that I publish, and hit the bell icon twice so you are notified when a new video comes out. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in the next adventure. Have a wonderful day.